Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you some quick and easy Windows 11 File Explorer productivity hacks. Let's start it. So firstly, we are going to File Explorer, search File Explorer. There you will see Quick Access. You can simply right click on any of this and select. You can simply click on that and select unpin from quick access. Then the item will be removed, or again you can click on that and select pin to quick access. The folder will again. The next step is press Ctrl plus T to open a new window, and you can simply drag one item to another. For example, there we are opening this and this. You can simply drag this file to another one. Press Ctrl plus W to close the current window. The next is press Ctrl plus T to Control Shift N to create a new folder. Control Shift N to create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want. And Alt left arrow. Press the button Alt and left arrow to back, and Alt plus up arrow to back to parent folder. The next is customize folder view. Click the view tab, and here you will see that you according to you can choose size: large, extra large, medium, small. Here you will see details pane. The detail will be show of the item. Preview pane, item will be previewed there. The next is pin folder to quick access. If you want this folder on quick access, right click and click on pin to quick access. You will see there the folder is added. Next time you open file explorer, you will see always the folder on the top. The next is search instantly. You can simply click on search button and type kind colon documents. You will see all the document file will be opened. Or you can simply create this world. All world file will be shown. Excel, PowerPoint, images, all images only shown there. And that's it. Those were some of the best Windows 11 File Explorer productivity hacks to make your workflow faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.